Title: What is matter and why it matters? Everything around you is made of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. The air you breathe, the water you drink, your desk, and even your own body are all made of matter. Matter is everywhere, even when you cannot see it. Matter exists in different states. The three main states of matter are solids, liquids, and gases. Solids have a definite shape and volume. A rock or a coin keeps its shape no matter where you place it. Liquids have a definite volume, but they take the shape of the container they are in. Water in a glass changes shape when poured, but the amount of water stays the same. Gases do not have a definite shape or volume. Air spreads out and fills the space it is given. All matter is made of tiny pieces called particles. These particles are very small and are always moving. In solids, particles are packed closely together and move very little. In liquids, particles are close but can slide past each other. In gases, particles are far apart and move freely in all directions. When matter is heated, its particles gain energy and move faster. Matter can also be classified as pure substances or mixtures. A pure substance is made of only one kind of particle, such as salt or distilled water. A mixture is made of two or more different substances mixed together. Air is a mixture of gases, and chocolate chip cookie dough is a mixture of many ingredients. Understanding how matter is classified helps scientists explain how materials behave in the world around us.